Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Earl here. It is my favorite day of the month because it's new product release day. We don't even have a set day, but today I am going to show you a product you have been asking us to bring in. Now, if you tried the Savory Butcher chop box, you already know those are the best steaks you can possibly eat. Well, guess what? If you are a New York strip person, now you can get your own box of just New York strips, 10-pound box, with 12-ounce New York strips, beautifully marbled, lip on. There's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of them in a box, each one awesome. These are the same steaks you find in a 5-star restaurant, you guys. We've got them now here for you. You don't just have to order the Savory Butcher chop box. If you are a New York strip person, click the link below. You can order them today from Savory Butcher. We'll see you on the road. Thanks for watching. I'm excited.